What this time?
Grasshopper.
What color is he?
Green.
Does he look like a leaf?
Yeah.
Don't touch it, Wyatt.
Hi, grasshopper.
Whoop!
You want to hold him now?
Where'd he go? There he is. Papa had to catch him. What? He won't crawl up on your hand, I don't
Wyatt,
think.
don't now. Won't hurt him.
He has wings, and you can
Put
hurt
him
him
on
here.
your shirt. Go. There you go.
No, he won't crawl over you.
Wyatt.
Papa would have to pick him up and put him on you.
Here, let me.
No.
You don't want him on your shirt.
Oh, he don't hurt. He has less.
Look, him right here. Move your hands.
I can't.
He goes up to your face, don't he? Let's see what it does to Papa. You want him landing?
Yeah.
Whoop!
He'll fly away.
Whoop!
Come here. There's more.
Hey, Mommy.
Piggy.
Grasshopper. Mommy, a grasshopper.
Hey, look at this, Mom.
Look at this, Mommy.
Oh.
I got a carpenter and grasshopper.
Get out of there.